Let's find out about this. What does the conch represent? Tim.
Government?
What? Yes. And how would you know about it representing government?
Because it brings people together and government.
Thank you, Tim. Now, my exchange with Tim right there is exactly what I want you to do. If you say it represents government, I will say how, and your answer to that must always be one of these pieces of evidence. So it calls meetings. What calls meetings? Government. Government organizes people. Government joins people. Those of you studying AP American history know the theory of a social contract. A social contract is a government. It dispels the chaos of the state of nature and brings people together into a unity. Yes?
Well, it dispels chaos.
Right. That's what it does. So we're looking for abstract ideas now. We've got government, and remember, symbols represent a variety of abstract ideas. So what other sort of related ideas could be represented? Anybody? Related ideas. Ellie?
Order.
Order. Very good. There's Ellie's support for order. It dispels the chaos of speech. There's order. Government. It organizes the boys. Yes?
I don't know if that's right. Could collaboration also go with it?
Oh, collaboration, yes. I think collaboration could work in the sense that we're talking about people working together. And Aaron, I think you can see that that is a little bit different, but very similar to government. Because government is a type of collaboration, right? Good. So we have similar, related ideas, yet they could be different. What type of government are we talking about if we're talking about government?
Democracy.
How do you know?
Because, like, the people are equal.
Because everybody can speak, and because everybody can vote. Because their leader, connected to the conch, is an elected official, elected by one person, one vote. We are talking about order, we're talking about collaborative effort, we're talking about organization, we're talking about structure, government, we're talking about democracy. That is the answer to question number 1. What does it represent? And always, if I ask you that question, what does it represent, you must prove it to me. Proving it to me means that you find evidence that supports. Okay, question 2 is comment. How does Golding feel about democracy? Adam?
I think she would say that it fails because the conch is slowly failing.
Oh, okay. The slow failure of the conch. Tell me something literal from the novel that shows that.
That Jack is disregarding the rules.
Very good. So Jack breaks off. So Golding is saying that democracy can fracture and break, right? Now do you see why he selected a shell? He didn't select a rock. He didn't give you some sort of gigantic, indestructible boulder and say, this is the bedrock of democracy. No, he gave you a shell. And a shell is fragile. So what's the comment? Comment number 1, Adam just identified. Democracies can break pretty easily. We know that with two reasons. One, it's a fragile shell. That's his object. Secondly, Jack decides to disregard repeatedly. And the shell allows for it. Austin, answer I think you might have been going to the question I was answering or asking earlier. Does Golding like democracy or not?
Golding, I think Golding likes democracy. He finds that it's very difficult to maintain based on the fact that it's expensive. The conch is expensive to structure, and the fact that it's difficult to create.
True, but hold off a second there. Austin, you've taken an answer to my question. You've gone off in a direction that's a very valuable direction, but let's get your initial answer first. Your initial answer is yes, he likes it. Absolutely, I agree with you. What's the evidence that he likes it?
That when democracy is working, the group is largely working together.
Think simpler. Think more literal. Think what I have on the board. Look at his description of the conch.
Oh, the fact that he's a very positive.
This deep cream touched is a nice word of delicate beauty. This description is a description of beauty. Pretty, that's Ralph's word. It seems kind of insubstantial. A slight spiral twist, not a twirling Charybdis. Oh my gosh, anybody get the reference? No, you're all like, what? What?
Yes.
Yes, very good. The twirling whirlpool, Charybdis. Remember that now? Oh yeah, Mr. Clarkson just used a literary allusion that quickly. Yeah. The Charybdis, which is a twirling spiral of devastation and destruction. We're not talking about that. We're talking about a slight spiral twist. We're talking about a delicate embossed pattern. We're